Honestly, do you know what it tastes like? Is that a cop? The point of today's video, what I need today, is to get the new Red Bull flavor. I've been searching for it and I can't find it, and I would really like to find it. Nice. I love people, dude. People that don't drive cars like this will just never understand why it's so cool to... It's not about the attention that you get from people, dude. It's different. It's different than like, oh, this is so great, someone's looking at me. It's not that. You see that they get it too. You know what I mean? It's like you're part of a community rather than your specific self getting the glory. Maybe, I don't know. I've been meaning to get some pictures taken here, so. That's the Strat right there, bro. Dude, this car is so sick, bro. I mean, come on, bro. Look at that. Are you getting this? Are you getting this? Are you getting this, dude? Why is it like low-key kind of clean in this lighting? Yes, dude. No, it looks like shit. That looks a lot better. Anyway, dude, I want to settle sort of like a misconception about the last video that I made. Dude, people, or one of the last really videos didn't seem to understand what I meant. You take the time and you learn what is reliable to do and what's unreliable to do with a car and the weak points of a car, and you take the time to, you know, test things and let things fail, you're going to inevitably have a car that's reliable, even if it doesn't come immediately from the factory as a reliable car. This is not targeted at people who just want a daily driver. This is targeted for people who... Ooh. This is targeted at people who really want to have like a performance car. Subarus can be incredibly reliable. You just need to know a couple things first, right? And that's all I was trying to say. I wasn't trying to say that they come from the factory reliable, because they don't. They have a lot of issues. Is that a cop? Gosh darn it, dude, that sucks. I was going fast. Don't follow me, please. Don't follow me. Okay, we're good. That sucks too, because he's definitely gonna hear me if I rip around this, which is something that I frequently like to do. I'll have to hold off today though. If you know the points of failure or the possible points of failure of a car that you're about to buy, it becomes incredibly less unreliable than it would have been if you wouldn't have known anything. And honestly, the easiest way to get through that is to just experience it and experience the things breaking. Sure, you can like do all the research in the world and everything, but I would have never learned that the Subaru wheel bearings and like the hubs they go bad because you have to replace the spindles after a while too, because they get rusty and they warp on the inside. I think that's pretty self-explanatory though. I was just kind of trying to help the people that had Subarus to make them a little bit better. Damn, bro, okay. Fuck you too, dude. I don't know what to tell you. I don't know, man. I just don't understand why people get so bent out of shape about cars. Like, why are you going way out of your way to flip me off when I'm just driving down the road? I guess I'm being like kind of aggressive, but it's not like you're just standing on the side of the road. Like, you're not in danger at all. I don't understand. And honestly, like, if I was a dick, all I gotta do is, you know what I mean? Like, that guy has zero protection at all. We move though, no problem. I don't know, man. It does kind of hurt my feelings though sometimes when someone just flips me off. Like, it just, you know what I mean? Like, it just kind of hurts. It hurts my heart. My heart is too fragile for that. I just don't know how much more of that I can take. It's hard, man. I don't know why I came this way, because I know that it gets so backed up. I'm just not gonna sit in this traffic. You know what I mean? All I gotta do is turn right. Will you let me turn right, please, sir? Yeah, see? Perfect. I gotta go left up there, but rather than sitting in all that traffic, I just feel like people don't think sometimes. Like, they could save so much time if they would just think outside the box a little bit. But look at that. I mean, dude, we're already on the main road. And this light is about to turn green. When I get up to it, it's gonna turn green. Yeah, look. And now I've completely foregone sitting in all that traffic. Dude, I'm a G. I'm a G, bro. I'm, like, I don't know what to say. And now, we get to come upon our gas station and see if they've got the forbidden fruit. And I can't record in public, guys. It's just too embarrassing. Guys, I don't believe it. It can't be true. Guys, I don't believe it. I actually found it. I actually found it at this speedway. Oh my gosh, guys, look at it. It's so beautiful. Wow. I bought 2 so that if it's ass, I can dump 2 out. But let's just take a moment and see. Oh, brother. Honestly, do you know what it tastes like? Honestly, dude, honestly, do you know what it tastes like? Do you know what it tastes, dude, honestly, do you know what it tastes like? It tastes like NOS. Do you guys remember NOS? Oh, yeah, it tastes exactly like that. Wow. Yeah, it's terrific. It's fantastic. Holy shit, it's fucking gas. What a rush! To the man who flipped me off today, I would like to run and say, you didn't bring my mood down too bad. I'm just glad you weren't my dad. It's a funny thing to flip someone off on the side of the road when you're older than old is old. You really don't mean much to me. I really hope you get stung by a bee. Bars. Honestly, dude, that's really all that happened today. I hope that guy's doing well. I hope he's doing well. I hope that he's enjoying his day. I hope that he's not grumbling and complaining about anything. I love you guys so much.